Hi everyone! Welcome to Monica's Singapore Kitchen. Today I will be cooking Nyonya spicy tamarind chicken. This chicken dish is mildly spicy and sourish due to the addition of tamarind juice. It is our family favorite. There is no coconut milk added to this dish. The addition of shrimp paste and fermented bean paste results in a delicious savory taste. Preparing the dish is relatively easy, perfect for beginner Nyonya cuisine enthusiasts. Come along with me to see how this dish is prepared. Here I've got spices. I'm going to name each spice as I load each spice into my blender. Okay, we are going to start with 20 grams of belacan, 300 grams of shallots, which I have chopped roughly, 200 grams of big onions, also roughly chopped, 150 grams of red chilies, roughly chopped, 50 grams of turmeric, thinly sliced, 8 candlenuts, and 1 cup of water to help in the blending process. So we plan to blend it until it is smooth, silky, and very fine. Something like this. You can see that it is very smooth, it's very silky, and also very fine. I like it this way. Now the other paste is the chili paste. So we are going to add water to this powdery chili paste to prevent it from burning. If you just add it like directly like that into the oil, it burns very easily. So addition of a little bit of water to form the paste prevents it from burning. So about half cup of water, to 5 tablespoons of chili powder. Okay, so we put this aside. Now the all-important ingredient is the tamarind juice. So we are going to use this tamarind pulp bought from the supermarket. It looks something like this. So we need about 4 tablespoons of this tamarind pulp. So I've got approximately 4 tablespoons over here. So the plan is to pour some water, just a little bit of water first, into the tamarind pulp, and then we are going to sort of squeeze out the pulp and separate it from the seeds. There are lots of seeds inside, so it's very hard, the seeds, so we cannot eat the seeds. So we are going to separate the pulp. That's where the sourish flavor comes from. So add water a little bit at a time until you finish adding 500 milliliters of water. Then after that, we are going to strain it to separate the two, the seeds from the juice. So this is a very important ingredient. We cannot skip putting this ingredient into our dish. So so we are going to put our tamarind juice aside. The other ingredient is our chicken parts. I have 1.2 kg of it. I have added a little bit of salt, about 1 teaspoon, and marinated it for about 15 minutes. I also have lemongrass. I have 4 stalks of lemongrass, which I bash it lightly, 2.5 tablespoons of sugar, half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of taucheong, of salted fermented bean paste, and this is 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. So let's cook. Heat up 1/3 cup of oil, about 70 milliliters. Pour in our spice paste. So just give it a little bit of stir to mix the two ingredients together, the oil and the paste. And this is a good time to add our chili paste. Okay, the plan is to stir fry it for 10 minutes over medium to high heat. So after 5 minutes, you notice that our paste is drier now. Most of the water that we have added during the blending process has evaporated. So 10 minutes later, our paste has darkened. The oil has separated from the paste and there is a distinctive, nice aroma coming up from it. So time to add our taucheong and our lemongrass. Throw them in. Okay, so give it a good stir and slide in our chicken pieces. So we need to mix the paste thoroughly with our chicken pieces, and when that happens, we'll add the other ingredients like our sugar, salt, chicken powder, and our tamarind water. Okay, so we're going to close our wok and simmer it for 25 minutes. There you go, 25 minutes later, our Nyonya spicy tamarind chicken is ready. Time to adjust the saltiness and the sweetness, so you just add accordingly. So here we are, our Nyonya spicy tamarind chicken is ready. This dish is best eaten while it is hot or at room temperature with a piping hot bowl of rice. It can also be served with hot crusty French loaf or freshly fried roti prata. I always serve this with rice and Nyonya achar. This pairing is incredibly harmonious. Do give this dish a try when time permits. Thanks for stopping by, and as always, happy cooking!